First, we have discussed leptotin, zygotin. Now the pectine. Can you make out? See, give just leptotin, but not exactly thread form, but actually thread form. Here, this one is the nicely drawn. That's the pairing of homologous chromosome synapses. Can you make out over here that center light pink color structure is present between two homologous chromosome, right? That is the synaptonymal complex. Now, after that, pectine stage is there. Pectine stage, the main events that we call crossing over. Okay, main event is the which one? Crossing over. This is the main event which helps in formation of recombinants. Okay, why we look different, okay, from our parents? Because this event, that's the crossing over. Now, see, full focus required over here. You have to focus over here properly. In this, that can you make out over here, or simply first I show you in this way, make it easy. In a cell, first pair of first chromosome, and in that this is second chromosome. After synapsis, okay, after synapsis, these two pairs of homologous chromosome, they lie on each other in a such a way that some part of the chromosome, mother father chromosome, they cross with each other. Can you make out this part? Cross like structures are formed, right? So this structure actually helps in formation of recombinants, and that shows the crossing over. Here crossing over crosses male, that's a paternal side chromosome, maternal side chromosome. That these chromosomes actually over here, that shows crossing with each other, right? One line, remember, minimum at least one point is there where crossing over, minimum one. Then it depends on the chromosome lying pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, this type of structures are there. This X, sorry, this type of structure, right? This point, minimum at least one, maximum it depends on the chromosomes, right? Now, here when this two, okay, lying on its side, just imagine that you have two fingers, right? On one finger on right hand, other finger on left hand. Now just cross it, this finger, make a cross X shaped structure banao, right? So jahan pe touch hota hai, that portion somehow is a thickness. I can say that that's a swollen part. Thickness is more over that. Yes or no? That point where your both fingers touch to each other, that point you call recombination nodule. Okay, this part we call only this part and this part where both the chromosome touch to each other, we called recombination nodule, right? Now next, this recombination nodule, where the recombination nodules are formed, this nodule has certain enzyme. यहाँ पे enzymes work करते हैं. First, endonuclease. Recombination nodule composition wise, when we see, then multi-enzyme complex. Many enzymes form this structure. So that's why we call it a multi-enzyme complex. Endonuclease, next ligase, next that recombinase, okay, recombinase, okay, and others are there, but just remember this three main: endonuclease, ligase, recombinase. this enzyme, many enzymes form this recombination nodule. That's why we call it's a multi-enzyme complex. This structure we call multi-enzyme complex. Right? Now, next step is what? Once they lie on each other, right? Next, that this thing again happens in ये red color portion. Can you make out first on this side and here on this side, right? Where the recombination nodules are formed, this much red color portion, okay, this much red color portion is detached. This one remain, just a second. Same on other side. Next, blue color. Now, here blue and red, blue and red, this part. Both the parts of these chromatids separated with the help of this endonuclease enzyme. Right? Just imagine कि जहाँ पे आपके fingers join हुए cross करने के लिए, now over that the enzyme work, okay, or with the help of the scissor you cut. Now, after that, next step is what? A finger का जो cut part है, that will join with the B finger, and B finger, that part that join with the A finger. So blue color part that join with the red one, and red color part join with the which one? Blue color one. Only where that X-shaped structures are formed. So remember this over here. At the end structure looks like what? कि यहाँ पे blue color आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी blue हो जाएगा due to this type of combination. Same over here red and here red. Can you make out this thing? Can you understand this thing? Once the crossing over occur, first with the help of, okay, this chromosome lie on each other. After lying, right, they should first do what? Cut that part with the help of endonuclease enzyme. Next, after that, this detached part, okay, small fragments, red color blue के पास जाता है, blue go with the red one, right? This thing actually performed by that recombinase enzyme. Recombinase enzymes helps in that. And then ligase क्या करता है? Red को blue के साथ join कर देगा, blue को red के साथ join कर देता है. Ligase का work होता है joining. Whenever the ligase word is there, understand joining. Clear? So crossing over occurs. So by this way, can I say that here in this step, exchange of genetic material occur between two homologous chromosomes, and that is mediated by an enzyme recombinase. One of the enzyme name given in your book, that is recombinase, but not only one enzyme. So many enzymes works on that, endonuclease, ligase, right? And this thing leads to recombination of genetic material. Mother father के तो कैसे थे? Totally red or else blue. But now the things are formed to form the gamete, and by that way to form their child. Okay, in that combination is there. Red color है, red के साथ देखो some portion blue आ गया. Sorry, blue is there over here. Same blue color chromosome is there in that, in this part. Red color is there. So that is not similar to the parents. That shows the genetic variations, right? So we call this thing leads to recombination of genetic material between these two homologous chromosomes. Clear है? Right? Now, बोलिए मैत्री.
Can you repeat the functions of enzymes?
Okay. Endonuclease cuts that क्रोमोसोम, बेसिकली डीएनए है वो, राइट? यू नो डीएनए कंडेंसेशन से क्रोमोसोम फॉर्म होता है. So that helps in cuts of the DNA nucleotides in our chromosome. Second, recombinase that helps in to alter this. इसके साथ एक unwindness भी होता है enzyme, but just now remember this one. Okay, that helps in to change red with blue, blue with N, red, to change the chromosomal fragment, and the ligase that helps in joining, right? Where the chromosomal parts are detached, so it should be joined with, so for that enzyme work that we call ligase. Can you make out over here in this diagram? See, bivalent structure, pairing of homologous chromosome or tetrad, right? अभी देखो यहाँ पे ये एक ही पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे हो रहा है क्रॉसिंग ओवर, ऐसा दिखा है, राइट? हमने 2 पॉइंट्स के साथ किया. If you remember, one on this side, one on this side, 2 points. यहाँ पे just 1 point दिखा है. So only one, minimum one, maximum number, it depends on the chromosome. Next, if you make out, initially देखो blue and red, but once the crossing over done, then genes are exchanged, red with blue, blue with red, that segment, right? So this is the event of pectiting. Okay, this is the event of which stage? That's a pectiting. See over here in this chromosome form, lying on each other, right? Now red and green break, and this green color के साथ red join हो जाएगा with red green color, right? This type of structures are formed, and at the end when they are separated, okay, when they are separated from each other, this type of structure is formed. Clear? So pectiting, in that, this is the pectiting stage, right? Homologous chromosomes of each pair shows crossing over, forms recombination nodule, and that helps in recombination, right? बोलिए आपको pectiting stage clear है? If not, let me know so I can repeat. No? After pectiting, first we have learned leptotene, second zygotine, third is a pectitin. Now the fourth stage that we call diplotene. Okay? Fourth stage that we call diplotene. Now here, not here. See, this is pectitin, diplotene, and then dikinesis. In this pectitin, you know there's a crossing over occur. One thing that you have to understand over here, see, crossing over is done, right? First pairing with the help of that pairing occur with the help of this synaptonymal complex, right? Now you have to imagine that with the synaptonymal complex, these are crossed with each other. Synaptonymal complex तो अभी भी है, so these are crossed with each other, forming that crossing over process, right? Now in the diplotene stage, once the crossing over is done, now the time to separate out this chromosome, right? chromosomes, which chromosome in which the gene exchange process is done. In that, first, that this portion is lost. This one we call synaptonymal complex. The dissolution of synaptonymal complex, that is the main event of diplotin. Dissolution of synaptonymal complex, this is the main event of diplotin. Clear है आपको ये पहले? Right? Now next, so once this structure is over, okay, initially क्या था, in between them this synaptonymal complex is there. During that crossing over, pachytene stage में भी ये होता ही है. Now dissolution of crossing over, dissolution of synaptonymal complex is there. Then when we observe this structure, then exactly clearly we can observe this X-shaped structure where actually the crossing over takes place. Yes or no? Right? So this X-shaped structure now we call chiasmata. This one we call which one? Chiasmata. You know swastik in Gujarati we call that the साथियों. हम 4 lines ऐसे draw करते हैं. Cross बनाते हैं ना, this cross. Right? On the basis of that, this name is given, that's a chiasmata. X-shaped structure. So proper this X-shaped structures we can observe in diplotin stage, because over here that synaptonymal complex is removed, dissolved. Right? And that structure we call chiasmata. Now next, right? So here chromosomes, pairing of homologous chromosomes was happening with the help of that synaptonymal complex. So यहाँ पे ये जो part है, understand this part where the synaptonymal complex is present earlier, right? तो ये parts भी तो join ही थे maternal and paternal chromosome के with the help of this complex. But once it dissolves, so now can I say that now the chromosomes remain attached only at that chiasmata point in diplotin stage? After dissolution of synaptonymal complex, now this both the chromosomes that remain attached only at this point, that we call chiasmata. Are you all clear? Jia, Kirtan, Zil, Maitri, Ayushi, Jaimin, Shubh, नहीं है. Okay, अर्पिता, हाँ बोलो.
मैम डिप्लोटिन का आप वापस से रिपीट करोगे? एक्चुअली नेट इश्यू की वजह से निकल गई थी मैं.
Diplotin, see, diplotin in that the main event is what? First, if you have to remember that all of you focus over here, that you know during zygotine in between this chromosome synaptonymal complex is formed. With this condition only that crossing over occur actually. Red color and blue color, that cross. Okay, मैंने कहीं पे भी ये words नहीं use किए पैकाइटिन में कि ये complex dissolve हो गया. Right? So remember this complex is there. With that, over here in pachytene crossing over occur. Now once the genes exchange process done, crossing over done, now it's a time to this chromosome to separate. So first for that this synaptonymal complex dissolve, right? So here only that synaptonymal complex dissolve. So chromosomes are there, homologous chromosomes, still they are attached. Jia, can you tell me at which point they are attached? After dissolving synaptonymal complex, they attach with which point? Tell me fast.
मैम recombination nodule.
That is the nodule region. But now here that nodule clearly we can say that X-shaped structures आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. Right? See over here. Clearly in this is the diplotin stage. X-shaped structures are formed after dissolution of that synaptonymal complex. So that we call chiasmata. Now after diplotin, next stage is a dikinesis. So dikinesis में simple है. Okay, main जो trouble होता है वो pachytene stage में है. Dikinesis the simple one. In dikinesis, right? In dikinesis, you know, now the chromosomes are remain only attached at that chiasmata point. So now in dikinesis, this chiasmata are also termination occurs. So in dikinesis, termination of chiasmata. So we can say that now totally free two homologous pairs of chromosome in which gene exchange occur that we can get, right? Next, that okay. Next, that's the now you have to recall that all events which are occur during mitosis prophase. Remember nuclear envelope breakdown. यहाँ पे देखो in actually this thing begins in prophase 1. Prophase 1 particularly lactotin stage. Over here almost end to complete the disintegration. Second, nucleolus disappear. Third, chromosomes get fully condensed over here. Initially, I told you that that's a thread-shaped structure. And observe this cell. Over here, more condensed form is present. That is the dikinesis. End of the prophase 1 or end of this prophase. Main that remember termination of chiasmata. Right? Main is the which one? Termination of chiasmata. Rest events you can easily learn. Nucleolus disappear, nuclear envelope breakdown, chromosomes get fully condensed, right? And here, you know, spindle fibers are there. See, in each cell, spindle fibers which are arranged by the centriole. So these spindle fibers we called here meiotic spindle fiber. Mitosis में हम क्या बोलते थे? Mitotic spindle fiber. Here we call meiotic spindle fiber. So meiotic spindle fiber formation begins. That assembles begin. बोलिए आपको क्लियर है? Prophase 1. Prophase 1. Tell me, first stage of prophase 1 is which one? First stage of prophase 1 is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 students in a meet. Arpita, bolo.
Lactotin.
Huh? Leptotin. Okay. Zil, tell me, which is the second event? Fast.
Zygotin.
Zygotin. Correct. Zygotin. Sakshi, third event.
Pectitin.
Pectitin. Third event is which one? Pectitin, right? Pectinotin, nahi, pectitin. Right? Fourth event is which one? Fourth event. Fourth, Kirtan.
Ma'am, diplotin.
Correct. And Maitri, fifth event.
Dikinesis.
Dikinesis, right? Tell me quickly. In which event chiasmata formation occur? Chiasmata form, chiasmata structures are developed in which event? Ayushi?
Diplotin.
Correct. In diplotin, correct. Next, in which stage chiasmata terminate, chiasmata disappear, chiasmata point detach, at which stage? Ayushi?
Dikinesis.
Correct, dikinesis. Next, after that, in which stage synaptonymal complex is formed? Maitri?
Zygotin.
Correct. Next, in which stage synaptonymal complex is dissolved? Fast. Arpita, bolo. Zil?
Pison.
No. In which stage synaptonymal complex is dissolved?
Diplotin.
Correct. Diplotin. Very good. Okay. In diplotin, that's the synaptonymal complex is dissolved. Right. Next. Out of this all prophase 1, in which stage you will get the more condensed chromosome? Condensed chromosome you get in which stage? No one. Condensation कहाँ पे complete होता है? In which one? Maitri?
Maybe pectitin.
Which one?
Pectitin.
No. Kirtan?
मैम zygote.
वेरी गुड, टोटली रॉन्ग आंसर। अगर पैकाइटिन नहीं, मैंने कंडेंसेशन कंप्लीट पूछा है। कंडेंसेशन एंड्स वेयर? साक्षी,
मेरा जाइगोट ही नहीं था।
वाह, मैंने ऐसे लाइन्स यूज की है क्या है? अर्पिता,
डाइकाइनेसिस।
करेक्ट, डाइकाइनेसिस। डाइकाइनेसिस, प्रोफेज, यू नो, प्रोफेज में होता है कंडेंसेशन, सो प्रोफेज एक्चुअली डिविजिबल इनटू 5 स्टेजेस, लैक्टो टू डाइकाइनेसिस। लैक्टो में बिगिंस होगा, कंप्लीट आपको कहाँ पे मिलेगा? एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोफेज। यस और नो? रिमेंबर, at the end of the prophase you get the more condensed chromosome. Thread say that chromatid stage, initially thread stage, and then you get the more condensed dikinesis stage, right? चलिए, now you metaphase anaphase आपको ही explain करना है। Metaphase 1, remember meta, okay, Ayushi, you want to say something?
नो मैम।
Okay, metaphase, चलिए आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन करिए मेटाफेज ऑफ माइटोसिस, कौन से इवेंट्स होते हैं मेटाफेज में? फास्ट, कीर्तन।
Ma'am, there is complete disintegration of the nuclear membrane. Then the
हाँ,
chromosomes are fully condensed. It means completely condensed. Then the chromosomes are bring to the center, which is known as the concretion, and
with
the
the help of
imaginary
what? With the help of what?
spindle
हाँ,
fibers.
yes, so first event is what? Here now that chromosome, right? This one we can say that here, just a second. Now imagine over here, this is the one pair of homologous chromosome, second pair of homologous chromosome, right? इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में यहाँ पे कराए, वन पेयर ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम, सेकेंड पेयर ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम। नाउ विद दैट द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स अटैच टू दैट काइनेटोकोर, yes or no, right? Now after that first spindle fibers, right, that helps in to get all the chromosomes at the center, which we call the equatorial plate or the metaphase plate, right? Next thing, that metaphase, see, first all the chromosomes that reach to the metaphase, that we call the equatorial plate. After the metaphase, next there's the anaphase. So in anaphase, remember shortening of spindle fiber, shortening of the spindle fiber event. Just imagine over here length of the spindle fiber and here the length of the spindle fiber. The shortening of spindle fiber occur in which one? Anaphase, anaphase 1. Can you tell me which is the other event that occur in anaphase? एक तो shortening of spindle fiber था, second event is which one? साक्षी, अर्पिता, okay, बोलो अर्पिता।
Splitting of centromere.
Splitting of centromere, right? If you remember in mitosis, we draw like that, like this, right? एक ही क्रोमोसोम था एंड उसके क्रोमेटिड्स को हम सेपरेट कर रहे थे in case of mitosis. But here how many chromosomes are there? 2 chromosomes, because here homologous pair chromosomes are there, right? Now these chromosomes get separated. One chromosome on one pole, other chromosome on other pole. So this both the chromosomes have their own centromere, yes or no? This both the chromosomes have their own centromere. So in anaphase 1, no splitting of centromere. Right? In case of anaphase, if anyone asks a difference between anaphase and anaphase 1, this is the main difference. In case of anaphase of mitosis, splitting of centromere. In case of anaphase 1 of meiosis 1, no splitting of centromere. Right? Because no need of that over here. Here the pairs of homologous chromosomes are separated. राइट, जस्ट इमेजिन फर्स्ट जो था माइटोसिस, आपके पास एक चॉकलेट है, उसमें से आपको 2 पार्ट्स करने हैं, एक ही चॉकलेट के 2। बट मियोसिस में क्या है, ऑलरेडी पेयर में है, क्रोमोसोम्स आर इन अ व्हिच वन? पेयर। So pair hai, तो one member you can easily, okay, one member go into one pole, other go into the other pole. You can easily separate them without breaking. Yes or no? Without breaking. So that's why I can say over here, no splitting of centromere. This is the main event of this anaphase 1. Now, anaphase 1 here, can you make out this chromosome? Again, same. That first centromere lead and with that this chromatid. ये exchange portion आएगा यहाँ पे. Like this, we have to make this diagram. फिर ये वाले जो है red यानी इसके साथ ये ग्रीन कलर की कंबाइन. क्लियर है कैसे डायग्राम आपको प्रिपेयर करना है? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए जिल.
मैम वो लाइन मतलब क्रॉस बना सकते हैं ना, मतलब जैसे पहले उस वो डायग्राम्स में थे तो वैसे क्रॉस बना सकते हैं.
ऐसे ही
Chromosomes,
बनाना है,
oh.
क्रॉस नहीं. जो डायग्राम्स में
Okay.
सेंड करने वाली हूँ सेम टू सेम डायग्राम, नो चेंज. राइट. So anaphase 1 in that homologous chromosome separate. Right. Now, next thing is what in an, okay, this separation, first of all, this separation we called over here disjunction. Separation of homologous pair of chromosome. Separation of homologous pair of chromosome we call disjunction. Right. In anaphase 1, okay, it might get, if not properly, okay, in that some problem is there inside the cell, then non-disjunction occur. Non-disjunction meaning what? Chromosomes not separately properly. Meaning what? See, यहाँ पे तो हम equal number में जा रहे हैं chromosome, yes or no? 2 member over here, 2 member over here. But when non-disjunction occur, in cell some trouble is there, then hypothetically consider 3 members over here out of this 4 and only 1 on other side. फिर ऐसे ही gametes form होंगे in which the number of chromosomes are different, and that type of gamete we call abnormal gamete. That creates the abnormality in child. Are you all getting my point? Right. So disjunction meaning what? Separation, properly separation of homologous chromosome. And abnormality का create होगा when non-disjunction means properly not separated that chromosome. Right. Now next, once this anaphase 1 separation is done, shortening of spindle fiber is done. Next is the which one? Telophase 1. Okay, after that the telophase के साथ consider that cytokinesis also occur. So this one divided into 2 daughter cells. See over here, this cell divided into with the telophase cytokinesis occurs. So 2 daughter cells. So at the end, if you can make out over here, in telophase again same, nuclear envelope reform, nucleolus even also reappear in this part. Okay, nucleolus reappear, nuclear envelope reform. Then next, at the end of this telophase, meiosis 1, 2 daughter cells are formed. That condition we call dyad. Cytokinesis follows after telophase 1 and form 2 daughter cells at the end of the meiosis 1, and that we call dyad. Clear hai? Clear. This one we call dyad. With this, I have completed first meiosis 1. Right? With this, I have completed first meiosis 1. Now, one thing that you should understand over here, G1, S, G2, then meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. माइटोसिस में तो क्या था, G1 S G2 and माइटोसिस. माइटोसिस के जो डॉटर सेल्स फॉर्म होते थे, they again either differentiate or continue that G1 cell cycle, G1 S G2 M, right? But here compulsory ऐसा होता है that once the mitosis 2 over, cell get differentiate. यहाँ पे ये cell cycle complete हो जाता है in case of meiosis, because at the end of the meiosis gametes are formed. फिर गैमेट सेल डिवीजन में नहीं जा सकते, वो डिफरेंशिएटेड फॉर्म है, राइट? रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. सो whenever anyone ask, okay, माइटोसिस के लिए है डबलिंग पैटर्न 1 2 2 2 2 4 4 2 8 8 2 16 like that. This thing cannot be applied on which one? This meiosis, right? Meiosis में only G1 S G2, meiosis 1, meiosis 2. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको इतना फर्स्ट? नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट अंडरस्टैंड, ये पेयर ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम वी हैव लर्न, राइट? वी हैव लर्न दैट पेयर ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम, one from mother, one from father. Now can you tell me, these two are, can I say that these two are sister chromatid, meet will and soon rejoin? These two are sister chromatids. Same way these two are sister chromatids, right? But these two are non-sister chromatid because एक mother chromosome एक father है, right? Red and yellow का combination, I am talking about that, red and yellow. So this one